let's welcome on stage another inspiring speech from our Level 6 Rank 1, Cyrene Gabrielle C. Marquez.
To our school president, Urgent Faltado, our school directress, Dr. Aimeline Faltado, our assistant school directress, Ms. Eden Destacamento, and our special guest. To all faculty members who assisted and supported us during our stay here at Gardner School of Multiple Intelligence, to my family who supported all the challenges that I faced throughout my journey, and to my friends, my classmates who shared countless memories, a wonderful and blessed morning to you all. I, Cyrene Gabrielle C. Marquez, stand before you with gratitude and appreciation. We should all thank the Lord for this wonderful day, for the gift of life, and for all our blessings. Can you imagine how time flies? It feels like it was just yesterday when we were shy to be alone. A small child crying, begging for their parents to stay with them at school. It feels like it was just our first periodical test, or first release of our report card, that we thought our parents would get mad at us if we got low grades. But now, we're graduating. The moment we and our parents are waiting for is finally here. This is the end of our elementary experience, but a new beginning of our high school journey. There will be more challenging and difficult times we have to face and overcome. More emotions to discover and talents to hone. But I'm sure we will all do our best, because that's what we do, and that's what our teachers taught us to do, to be the better versions of ourselves. I have faced many challenges that taught me to be brave, victories that taught me to be humble and grateful, and defeat that made me determined to do even better and maybe who I am today. I may have passed these things, but I wouldn't be here without the help of other people. I remember every time me and my siblings are facing difficulties, my papa keeps saying, "Suffer now, enjoy later." This reminds us the value of patience, perseverance, sacrifice, and self-discipline. When we want to get or achieve something, we have to work for it. Spend time and energy to get a good and satisfying outcome. Me standing in front of you is a testament to that phrase. I would like to thank our teachers who patiently taught us our first ABs, teachers who discipline unruly children, and teachers who inspire the uninterested. They devote most of their times to us children and lose time for themselves. Thank you, dear teachers, for your patience even when we were hard-headed. To our parents, thank you for working hard just so we can study. To your sacrifices just so we can have a brighter future. For your patience when we were stubborn and hard-headed. And lastly, thank you for sleeping late just so you guys can look after. And to all my classmates, became friends, and then became part of my life, thank you for the long-lasting memories we have shared together. May we strive to be better than we are today. Let us all live with kindness, humility, and a grateful heart. Once again, thank you to everyone who has been part of this journey. Our teachers, parents, school leaders, and friends. Congratulations, Batch 2025. did.
Thank you, Cyrene. And now, may I